Fan Gabriel 22 here. Hey guys, here's another magazine video. Also, I got two of them to show you. From my birthday in 2015, I got from my grandma Hyman. Also, which is the first one I got, so we'll do this one after. This one's trains, winter along the upper Mississippi. You can see with the Canadian Pacific train. So, kinda cool. I'm going to show you guys the whole magazine in here. So far, it looks cool. You can see better too with no sunset, you know. Last time the sun was shining, it was hard to see a little bit. So maybe we'll do them at night. Look at that yard. Ooh, a CN train. Look at that. Homework, Illinois or something. That's a cool picture. It's about signals. I know, it's about train signals. That's cool. Oh yeah, I remember, it's all signals. That's for Astoria. I think so. Let me see. Yeah, that's for Astoria. How cool. That was for Astoria. I go there. Yep. Cool. Yeah. Good magazine so far. Winter on the upper Mississippi. That's cool. This is from 2015, so long time ago. That's cool. Look at steam locomotives. Amtrak. Sorry, I'm going a little faster. It's okay. Ooh, a Conrail. Look at that. An old one. More steam locomotives. This is cool. Illinois Central. That's a cool one. Ooh, it's a Canadian Pacific. Cool. Look at being and stuff. Alright, that's it for that one. Now, we'll do the next one, the second one I got for my 15th. I think it was in 2015 on my birthday, a long time ago, so. Two magazines. This one's about locomotive. He takes to Sunshine State or something. That's cool. That's cool. I hope you guys are enjoying the video, which is cool. Ooh, a Norfolk Southern. Cool. More trains. Sorry, I got it. The book's a little. Oh, look at all that. That is cool. Another. That's old. No, that's old. It's expired already, but yeah. Because this was from 2015. That is cool. White bean on staff. Whoa. Look at that. That is cool. Ooh, a blue one. Look at that. Oh. Look at GCS or something. That is cool. There's CN. It's how long that train is here over the mountains. Look at CN train in there. Amtrak or something, yeah. That is cool. God, where's Amtrak? Burger East Coast. Okay, hurricane trains, wow. Burger East Coast. Yep, Burger East Coast again, I think. Yep, I'm more of the Burger East Coast. Sorry, the coil train. Sorry, my back was hurting. I had to move it a little bit. Well, I slept back last night. I didn't sleep good last night. That happens. Oh, that's cool. Oh, cool. This is a nice magazine I got from 2015. Look at me, Union Pacific trains. Cool. Still walking? That's funny. That's cool, though. Yeah, that's old. It expired already. Yep. That's a cool one. Oh, wow. Cool. Alright. That's these two magazines. That is cool. Okay, those are the two magazines I got from 2015 on my birthday one time, a long time ago. So these two, yep. Also, that's it. I hope I see you guys in the next video on magazines or books or whatever, trains, fishing, whatever hobbies. And I'll catch you guys later. Yeah, it's nighttime. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. That was cool.